Hi there, I'm Sabina from Contabo. If your website gets a lot of traffic, you need a web server that's fast, efficient and scalable. Today we'll explain why LiteSpeed is the best choice and how it outperforms Apache and NGINX in real-world performance. But first, a web server is a software or hardware system that delivers websites and web content to users when they request it through a web browser like Chrome, Firefox or Safari. It processes incoming requests, retrieves the necessary data and sends it back to the user's device over the internet. There are some alternatives, namely Apache, NGINX and LiteSpeed. Apache has been around for decades and is great for flexibility, but it's not efficient under heavy traffic because it uses too many resources, consuming more CPU and RAM, and at times struggling with concurrent connections. NGINX solves some of these issues by using an event-driven model, making it much better at handling high traffic, but it doesn't fully support Apache configurations like htaccess. It also requires extra setup for PHP and dynamic content. So let's talk about LiteSpeed, which appears to be offering the best of both worlds. LiteSpeed is a web server that combines the compatibility of Apache with the performance of NGINX. LiteSpeed is an event-driven model that efficiently manages many connections, uses less resources, CPU and RAM than Apache. Can be used as a drop-in replacement for Apache since it works with htaccess, mod rewrite and existing configurations. Offers great DDoS protection and security thanks to the built-in firewall, ModSecurity and anti-bot measures. If your website gets a sudden surge in traffic, LiteSpeed ensures that pages load fast and your server stays online. One of the LiteSpeed's biggest advantages is LiteSpeed Cache, or LSCache, a built-in caching system that makes your website significantly faster. Why is this a game changer? LSCache enables full-page caching and stores pages in memory for instant loading. The smart cache purging only updates changed content, thus reducing load time. Image and database optimization compresses images and cleans up database junk. If, for example, you run a WooCommerce online store, LiteSpeed Cache ensures fast product browsing and smooth checkouts even with thousands of visitors at once. LiteSpeed is also more cost-efficient for hosting providers. It reduces server costs by using fewer resources, supports shared, VPS and dedicated hosting, and is optimized for WordPress, Joomla and Magento. In a nutshell, Apache is for shared hosting and legacy compatibility, while NGINX works best for static-heavy, high-traffic sites. LiteSpeed, in comparison, might be the choice when going for high-performance, dynamic websites and WordPress optimization. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, like this video, subscribe for more Contabo tutorials, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy hosting with Contabo!